What's happening, guys? Dan Rogers here, and we are in London, and I have absolutely loved the Just One Dime London Ecom 2020 event that we've been holding. Seth and I have been going through our latest findings to help the sellers who joined us take their businesses further this year. I particularly focused heavily on product research for 2020 and specifics you really want to look for as you find your product this year. Seth, on the other hand, focused on product launch. He was revealing some critical insights and new features that you want to take advantage of in 2020 as you bring your products to markets. Now, I'm making this video during the Just One Dime Ecom London 2020 because it's fresh in my mind. I know what we've done, how this event has been, and I want to give future potential attendees of this event just insight into how it is here. I've met people from the UAE, Romania, Ireland, the UK, the US, Portugal, Venezuela, from all over the world. And all of us are on the same exact mission. And what I find so valuable in these meetings that we have, in these events we have, is one, I get to collaborate very closely with the Just One Dime team. And two, I really enjoy seeing the members. Even more importantly, I enjoy seeing attendees, whether they're Just One Dime members or not. I love meeting other sellers. As you'll already know, if you're selling online or working online in general, sometimes it can actually be a lonely venture. Although a fun and rewarding venture, a lonely one. And you sometimes want to network, you want to meet other people. And that's what these events also afford us and afford attendees. So I've loved that about the event. I've also loved that we've kept it cutting edge. We really have revealed the latest strategies. These are things not even in the Just One Dime course, for example. These are literally things we've dug out of our own businesses. And some of the features that we spoke about here have only been released in the past few weeks. A big key for me when I'm prepping content for these events is if it's not going to leave you a more powerful seller, I don't want to do the event. If it's not going to give you enough knowledge and content and insight that you leave that event going, I learned something new. I'm ready to go take action on this. If that doesn't happen, I'm unhappy with the event. Sometimes sellers come to events almost like, surprise me if you can teach me anything. And that does put pressure on event holders. It puts pressure on us presenters, but rightly so. You're usually paying to go to these events and we need to deliver. And when I actually have people come to me post-event and say, man, thank you so much, I learned so much, or this was so valuable to me, or you taught me something new, or something positive like that, that's what tells me, that's the only thing that tells me that what I'm doing is worthwhile. Another thing we do is, although we keep it quite succinct and within the usual person's attention span when we talk live, we're also doing masterminds at these events. So after the content piece, we do Q&A. You can ask any questions you want. We look more closely at your business, and then it turns more into a networking event, which ties back to my first point on getting to know other people in this business model and enjoying it with them. Being in a room full of people who know what BSR is or what ASIN stands for. It's about being with like-minded people. You also leave this event with all the slides. So although we give you succinct training, there'll probably be another 100 slides to back that up. And that way you can go through more detailed content in your own time as well. So I wanted to just give you an update. I've loved this event, loved hanging out with the Just One Dime team, and I've loved meeting the members as well, the attendees. That often drives me to just keep doing this, keep sharing, keep doing events. If you're either brand new and looking for the best way to start, or you're a more advanced seller hitting a plateau, and you need an injection of energy, more networking, and the latest possible strategies, then I really recommend you do join an event like this made by sellers and for sellers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a quick like and subscribe below if you like this type of content, and I will chat to you very soon.